The Supreme Court has observed that the biggest hurdle in the transfer of welfare benefits to the needy is the inability to accurately identify the right beneficiaries for every scheme. Recent initiatives have only solved the issue of duplicate redemption for a particular scheme and reduced inefficiencies in the transfer of payments. We still have significant gaps in the scheme discovery, application process, verification, and delivery of benefits. Presenting EasyGov's transformative platform designed to address these complexities. Numerous state governments are already using EasyGov's award-winning platform to transform their welfare system. The omni-channel platform broadens access to welfare schemes for citizens through self and assisted modes. Based on some key profile attributes entered by the citizen, EasyGov's AI-based algorithm identifies schemes best suited to the citizen. Its proprietary rule-based engine allows only eligible citizens to effortlessly apply for a scheme. This eliminates the middleman's involvement and subjectivity in beneficiary selection. Data available in electronic formats is fetched and verified automatically. If a physical document needs to be uploaded, our robust image processing module validates it for correctness and clarity, which reduces the chances of the application being rejected. This completes the application process in a matter of minutes. While electronic data is verified automatically, non-electronic documents are verified through a centralized welfare processing center. EasyGov's seamless and automated process eliminates the paperwork and gives time to bureaucrats to focus on policy design and implementation. EasyGov's platform provides flexibility to trigger milestone and frequency-based payments through its enhanced payment module. The system also helps track the delivery of non-cash benefits through service providers. EasyGov's platform provides analytics and also supports proactive enrollment, bulk enrollment, fraud detection and prevention, supplier management, and complaint management. EasyGov's solution makes the welfare scheme delivery system highly accessible, inclusive, family-centric, and progressive.